In this video, I will be talking about this question: how do I start affiliate marketing for beginners? Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload some new content. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. If there are any video topics you would like me to create for you, please tell me in the comments under the video. The affiliate marketing industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry with exciting professional opportunities for creators. It's fast becoming a common way for e-commerce brands to market their products and services. Statista reports that in 2020 alone, over 2 billion people purchased goods or services online, and e-retail sales surpassed $4.2 trillion worldwide. Amongst those billions of people now buying things online. Awin's review of affiliate marketing in 2021 showed that by April, 37% of people were buying products through affiliate links. The best affiliate marketing programs are often free to join, so it doesn't cost much to start. Plus, you could go from a side hustle to a profitable business that provides passive income over time. Let me now tell you how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is a sales model where a company or a business pays a third party to sell their product or service. If you've ever listened to a podcast or seen a social media influencer promote a product, they are affiliate marketers. In exchange for recommending products or services to their audience, they get a commission off any sales that result in their referral. After you choose an affiliate marketing program, you'll receive a unique link or code that will allow the companies to track every customer you send their way. When a customer purchases the product through your link, you earn a commission. You can find programs directly through a company or via an affiliate network like ShareASale and ClickBank. Here's how the standard affiliate program works. Number 1, you promote Store A on your website, blog, or social network. Number 2, someone clicks your unique link. Number 3, they make a purchase in Store A. Number 4, the company or affiliate network records the transaction. Number 5, the purchase is confirmed by Store A. Number 6, you receive a commission. Here are some strategies to help you get started. Number 1, decide on a niche. A niche is the segment of a larger market defined by its own unique characteristics. It becomes your specialty and the topic people will know you for. Travel blogging would be an affiliate marketing niche, as would pet care or tiny homes. Choosing a niche is a strategic business decision designed to serve a specific customer base. It helps establish a loyal audience that will buy your products instead of competitors. The top affiliate marketing niches found by Easy Affiliates are 1. Lifestyle and wellness, number 2. Technology, number 3. Personal finance, and number 4. Pet care. These aren't your only options, of course. There are hundreds of options available. So how do you go about finding a profitable niche that interests you? You can consider the following. Do you want to learn more about the niche? You want to become a subject matter expert on your topic over time. The only way to achieve expert status is by constantly learning and staying on top of trends. Can you solve problems? Affiliate marketers often have special training or experience in a specific niche. This gives them new ways to present information and help people solve problems. Is it profitable? You can run a quick search on Google to see how popular your niche is. Check how much competition is in the space. Read market reports. A busy niche isn't always a bad thing because it means there are people ready to buy. The goal is to choose a niche that you enjoy. You won't likely be making 6 figures overnight. Running an affiliate business takes commitment and time. If you already enjoy doing it, you'll be more likely to continue to do it despite how much money might be rolling in. Number 2, choose your platform. The next step is considering what platform you'll use for your business. Each affiliate marketer has a different platform and approach. For example, while blogger Ryan Robinson has an Instagram account, his core source of income, which is $300,000+ per year, comes from his blog. Other affiliates focus solely on Instagram or TikTok to earn affiliate commissions. There are 2 main methods to choose from as a beginner. You can use a niche topic or a product review site. These sites review companies' products for a specific audience and compare products with each other. They can also publish buyer's guides and product tutorials to help shoppers make buying decisions, such as the New York Times Wirecutter site. Another method you can use is digital content. Content creators include bloggers, social media influencers, and YouTubers. They continuously publish content that resonates with their audience to gain influence and encourage clicks. A good example is how Ryan Robinson's blog focuses on freelancers. He regularly publishes new content related to freelancing to draw in an audience and promotes brands that he's affiliated with. Authenticity and audience engagement are two critical elements for affiliate marketing. If you can't connect with your audience, they'll likely won't buy the products you recommend. Not sure which platform to choose? Start on a platform you're comfortable with. If you enjoy creating social media videos, make Instagram your platform. If you're a good writer, maybe blogging is the best route for you. Creating on platforms you already understand will help you create content that connects with your audience and drives affiliate sales. Number 3, find relevant affiliate marketing programs. There are a lot of affiliate marketing programs out there. According to MediaKicks, 80% of companies use affiliate marketing, so it's important to make sure you find the program that is right for you. Make sure not to just focus on high-paying affiliate programs, but to find the affiliate offers and products that will appeal to your audience. A few things to look out for when choosing an affiliate program include: does the program have a great market reputation? You don't want to work with partners that people don't trust. Fortunately, affiliate networks like ShareASale and ClickBank vet programs and present reliable, profitable merchants you can work with. Does the program have a good commission rate? You want to earn good money for your time and effort. Many programs pay upward of 10% to 20% commissions for a sale. Choose a rate that works for you. Does it have a high earnings per click (EPC) rate? EPC is an industry-wide metric that shows the average affiliate earnings per 100 clicks across a merchant's program. Networks like ShareASale show you this information for each merchant. For example, Modern Nursery pays a 5% commission, but its EPC is $38.20, which means you could make almost $40 per click. Finding the right programs is critical to running a successful affiliate business. For example, True Crime Obsessed is a comedic podcast where best friends and hosts Patrick Hines and Gillian Penseville talk with a comedic spin about true crime documentaries. Using this very particular take on a popular niche, they've garnered over 70 million downloads in 1 year, as well as an obsessed network with 6 other offshoot programs. The podcast promotes a variety of different products and services in episodes and a dedicated promo code page related to its niche. To find good affiliate opportunities, ask your favorite brands if they have an ambassador or affiliate program. That way you can promote products you already appreciate and enjoy. You can also find products and brands to work with in the following affiliate marketplaces: Commission Junction, ClickBank, Flex Offers, ShareASale, Awin, and Amazon Associates affiliate program. Number 4, create valuable content. Statista reports that in 2019, people spent an average of 170 minutes online globally. People are consuming content, but if you want to stand out, you have to make yours valuable to your audience. Blogs are a really good way to do that. FindStack reports that 65% of all affiliate marketers generate traffic through blogging alone. Kelly Marol from the Greenspring Home advises that new affiliate marketers should focus on publishing high-quality content and build a highly engaged audience that will pay off in dividends later. In 2020, Statista reported that people all over the globe spent an average of 145 minutes on social media per day. So, if you're asking if you have to have a website in order to be an affiliate marketer, the answer is no. Promoting on social media is an easy and free way to get your content in the hands of the people that might be interested. Even platforms like Pinterest have affiliate opportunities using the pins on your various boards. If you have a blog, research and understand search engine optimization (SEO). Bright Edge reported in 2020 that SEO drives over 1000% more traffic than organic social media. Doing some keyword research and implementing SEO well is crucial to reaching your audience. Email marketing is another way to keep those customers who've already visited your site interested. If you like the idea of recurring income, being able to work from home, have a business that fits in with your lifestyle and no prior experience required to set it up, the Affiliate Marketing CPA online training course is for you. This comprehensive training course will give you the exact step-by-step formula used by your instructor Jay, which enabled him to leave his day job just 6 months after launching his affiliate marketing business. You can approach this course as a complete beginner, and at the end of the course, you will be armed with the expertise you need to change your life completely. Simply click the link under the video to learn more about this program. It is a fantastic resource which is going to help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career, and provide you with the training and the knowledge you'll need to launch a successful affiliate business from start to finish, and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload more content. Thank you very much. Please remember to connect on Facebook. I have put the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.